Imagine you're trying to find a hidden treasure inside a giant maze. A normal computer, like your phone, is like a mouse. It runs down one path, hits a wall, turns back, and tries again. It's smart, but it takes time. Now imagine a quantum computer. It's like a bird flying above that same maze. It doesn't have to try one path at a time because it can see every possible path all at once. That's because it uses something called qubits. Normal computers use bits, which are either 0 or 1, but qubits can be 0 and 1 at the same time. It's like a coin spinning in the air instead of just heads or tails. Because of this, quantum computers can explore many possibilities at once, and that's what makes them so powerful. So why does this matter? Because our world is full of problems that are like giant mazes. Developing new medicines can take years. Designing better batteries is extremely complex, and predicting financial markets is incredibly difficult. Quantum computing could change that. It could reduce drug discovery from years to days. It could help create more efficient batteries. It could accelerate artificial intelligence. And it could solve problems we simply cannot solve today. But here's the reality. Quantum computing is still in its early stages. These machines are extremely fragile. Even tiny vibrations or heat can cause errors. It's like trying to build a house of cards during an earthquake. They also require temperatures close to absolute zero, and they are very expensive to maintain. There is also a serious risk. Quantum computers could break today's encryption systems. That means current internet security, like banking and passwords, could become vulnerable. That's why researchers are already working on something called quantum-safe security. Now, from an investor's perspective, this is where things get interesting. There are three main groups of companies to watch. First, big tech leaders. IBM is one of the pioneers in quantum computing, already offering access through the cloud. Google has made major breakthroughs and continues to push the limits of the technology. Microsoft is building a full ecosystem through Azure, focusing on long-term scalability. Second, pure quantum companies. IonQ is one of the few publicly traded companies focused entirely on quantum computing. Rigetti is developing superconducting systems aimed at real-world applications. D-Wave uses a different approach and is already being used for certain optimization problems. Third, the enablers. Nvidia plays a key role by helping simulate quantum systems, and companies like ASML and semiconductor equipment makers could benefit from building the hardware behind it. This is not just one company story, it's an entire ecosystem, and we are still very early. Like the internet in the 1990s, many companies may fail, but a few could change the world. Quantum computing won't impact your life tomorrow, but in the next 10 to 20 years, it might change everything.